Clockify tutorial. Time management is at the heart of productivity. Whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple clients, a small business trying to keep projects on schedule, or a large team managing complex workflows. The problem many professionals face is not just tracking hours, it's making sure that time is used efficiently. Projects stay within budget, and insights from work data can be turned into better business decisions. This is where Clockify comes in. Known as one of the most popular free time tracking tools, Clockify has evolved into a powerful time and project management platform. It goes far beyond simple timers by offering reporting, team management, scheduling, and integrations with tools you already use. In 2025, Clockify continues to be a go-to solution for individuals and organizations who want to track time without unnecessary complexity. It's cloud-based, works on desktop and mobile, and gives you real-time insights into how your team's time is spent. So to get started, simply head over to Clockify's official website, which is clockify.me. From here, you can sign up for free. So simply click on sign up for free and sign up for an account. So after setting up your account, you will now be redirected to your dashboard right here. So as you can see, this is going to be your time tracker. So from here, you can start your timer or your time tracker. So first you'll need to select your project. So as you can see, we have sample projects right here. So let's say we want to work on project alpha. So you can see it's now right here. And to start your time tracker, simply click here on start. And as you can see, you are now using your time tracker to track that you are working with Project Alpha. So that's basically how your time tracker works. So as you can see, when you stop it, you will see that you have worked this right here. You'll see the total time you've spent uh, working on this project. So as you can see, you can also set it to billable or non-billable. And we also have these tags right here. You can add it, or of course you can delete, duplicate this time result. Next, we have our timesheet. So basically, you'll see all of the timesheets right here. So all of your team members or employees working on some projects, when you track their work, it will all go right here. So you'll see all of it. As you can see, we also have the dates right here. We have the total time they've spent doing the project. Next, we have the calendar section. As you can see, these are all the dates for our calendars. So it's basically looks like a CRM. So you can click on some sections right here, the date and the time. So from there, you can add your time entry. You can add the description. So what have you worked on? You can select the project that you have worked on. You can add the tags, and of course, you can set it to billable or not. So of course, you can select your teammates, your own. You can filter by the project. So as you can see, this is just sample data. So these projects are worked on for 5 hours. So that's basically how your calendar looks like. Next, we have our schedule. So as you can see, I've assigned this project how many hours spent for this projects. So you will see all of the dates that these projects have been worked on. You can also select your team. So as you can see, these are just sample teammates. You will see that they have worked for this project or the time spent worked for this project. And of course, you can always add new team members. So you just search for your team members right there. So of course, these are just some sample data, so you can't add them. So that's basically how the schedule feature looks like. Next, we have the time off. So of course, all of your team members can request time offs and you will see it right here. So basically, as you can see, this person, these is already approved. There are employees who are still pending. So of course, you can either approve this or not. This is also the employee that has been rejected. So you'll see this right here. You can see notes, rejected the request. This wasn't the initial agreement. Please submit a new request. Next, we have our dashboard. So basically, this is your dashboard, your analytics. So you will see time spent for this day, for the past month, for this week. So you can also select the project or the billability. Of course, you'll see it right there. Next, we have our reports. So again, this is just reports and analytics. You'll just see graphs and charts right here to see all of your work. So you'll see the billable hours, the amount that is billable, the total time for your team. You can select here. There are filters such as teams, clients, projects, task, tag, status, and description. Of course, you can also select this filter as detailed, weekly, or shared. So that's how the report works. Next, we have in the manage section, you can manage your projects. So from here, you can create or add new projects. You can set project templates. You can archive the project if it's already done. You also have the team section. From here, you can add new team members. You can select them or group them. You can also deactivate this person, meaning you're going to remove them from the team. Next, we have the clients. Of course, right here, you can select clients, and of course, you can always add new ones. And of course, the tags. So you can organize your entries with tags. So in the other features, we can add kiosks, expenses, activities, approvals, and invoices. So that's basically how Clockify works. So you can track the time spent on their work, and of course, it also acts as like a new CRM. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.